Hey friends, it's Mr. Patrick from the Pleasant Hill Library with your first video for Tinkers and Thinkers 2025. This is the unboxing video where we're just gonna take a look at what's inside our 2025 kit. Did you come down to the launch party? Are you lucky enough to have one of these? Well, grab it and let's open it up together and see what we've got. Alrighty, here we go. Oh my gosh, the first thing I have looks like golden ribbon. Oh, it's gorgeous. Well, it's not made out of gold. This is actually copper. It is copper conductive tape. So it is adhesive and it allows us to actually make electric circuits. Yeah, maybe you recognize this from another Tinker box we've done before. What else is inside? Ooh, a motor, of course. I've got a DC motor. We'll need that to make things move. And what else have we got? We've got a little bracket that'll hold that motor. And we've got this little connector. It's got these little rockers on it, and that will allow you to wire up a circuit. Yeah. What else is in here? I've got some masking tape, always handy for a project. What else? A fan blade. Yeah, this is a little bit different. It might be a different color in your box. The blades might have a slightly different shape to it, but yeah, you should have one of these. Oh, and of course, if you watched our teaser video, you know we've got these cool micro solar cells inside. Yeah, they're a little teeny, they're not super powerful, but it does mean that your project can be powered entirely by sunlight. Very fun. Then we've got a few random pulleys and gears. You're gonna have a couple, they might be different colors, they might have different numbers of teeth on them. It might be a little bit different than your buddy or your sibling who's got their own Tinker kit, so don't be alarmed. These are really just to get you inspired about how you can harness the power of your solar-powered motor. What else is in there? A couple LEDs. You might have a big one and a small one, different colors. Those light-emitting diodes are always fun in a Tinker kit. A rubber band. And what else is in here? I've got a metal rod. Yeah, this is handy for all the gears and mechanisms that we might create. Of course, there is this big green template that you're going to cut out and use for a project later. No spoilers there, though it does say head, tail, and shell. Can you think of something that has a head, a tail, and a shell? Let's see. And last but not least, maybe my most exciting part in the kit, this little axle here is an adapter for Legos. We 3D printed it on the Ultimaker here in the Pleasant Hill Library's makerspace, and it means that you can connect the motor in this kit to your own Lego creations. It's not required, but if you like to Lego, then this might be a fun way to extend the fun of this kit. So that's everything that I've got inside my box, but it's not everything that you have to use. Our spirit of Tinkers and Thinkers is that you use what's around you, you come up with new ideas to hack the project. Maybe you even have an old Tinker box from previous years and you want to use components there. Maybe you want to dig into your clean recycling bin and utilize something that you'd rather not just throw away. Well, it's up to you. We've got a lot more fun ahead with a bunch of videos, so I'll see you in the next one.